Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to easily add custom image uploads to product pages in WooCommerce. Let's get started. In order to make that possible, you need to actually install this Ultimate Product Options plugin. So you can find it at the Barn2 website and you can head over and then just try to buy this plugin. So take note that this actually has a price since you need to buy it. And from in there, you should be able to see in here the price for this one. So if you just want this particular plugin, you can see that it actually ranges around $99 for one site per year, or you can also choose in here lifetime purchase. Now let's head back right here. Now you can click on this custom printed t-shirt. You can select on options right here in here. Now this is what it will look like. So it actually allows customers to add custom image for this one. So for example, let's buy a red t-shirt, one of that, and then you can upload your design. So for example, let's try to upload here a design. I'll head over and add this and click on open. Then as you can see, this will upload this particular style. Once you have uploaded this, you should be able to reflect on this thing right here on the actual demo. So in here, you can also add some text, but it is actually a requirement of plus $2, or you can also change it up however you want. And then you can also personalize a block here as well. You can upload your design and also add some text. Once it's done with that, you can head over and add a SIR card. So this is what it looks like when a customer actually see this particular product that you have created with the plugin. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.